As an AI language model, Chatgpt cannot directly make money for you. However, there are some ways you can leverage its capabilities to potentially generate income. So here are a few suggestions. So the first one I'm going to suggest is content creation. So you can use ChatGPT to generate high quality content such as blogs, articles, social media posts, or product descriptions. Many businesses and website owners are willing to pay for well-written content, and ChatGPT does that. You can literally go into ChatGPT and type in whatever topic you want to post on blogs or articles or social media, and they will give you the best descriptions. And I just think it's amazing. It's like whoever came up with ChatGPT, you're a freaking genius, and thank you. The second one is copywriting. So ChatGPT can assist you in crafting persuasive copy for advertisements, sales pages, or even email marketing campaigns. So effective copywriting is in demand, and you can offer your services to businesses or individuals looking to improve their marketing efforts. Now that's a good idea. The third one is language translation. So if you are proficient in multiple languages, you can use ChatGPT to help translate text. You can offer translation services online or join platforms that connect freelancers with translation projects. The fourth one is tutoring and teaching. So you can create online courses or offer tutoring services in subjects where you have expertise. So ChatGPT can be utilized to provide additional explanations, answer questions, or even generate practice exercises. So you can start a YouTube channel tutoring your favorite subjects, and ChatGPT will give you literally all the answers and explanations and even generate practice exercises. Now that's just amazing, guys. Use ChatGPT to your absolute benefit. The fifth one is Chatbot Development. So ChatGPT can be used as the foundation for building interactive chatbots for websites or customer support. So if you have programming skills, you can offer chatbot development services to businesses looking to automate their customer interactions. The last one but not least is virtual assistant. So position yourself as a virtual assistant utilizing ChatGPT to provide support in managing tasks, scheduling research, or answering inquiries. Many entrepreneurs and professionals are willing to pay for assistance with their daily workload. Now, remember, while ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance, it's important to offer additional value through your expertise, personal touch, or supplementary services to attract clients and generate income. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification bell to be alerted every time that we upload. Bye!